Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to see activity monitor on your MacBook. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. OS X comes with a built-in application called Activity Monitor, which gives you a general overview of what your MacBook is doing. Running the Activity Monitor app is useful if you want to see how hard your CPU is running or which business applications are consuming lots of memory. So how to see your activity, your monitor activity? It's so simple. You can just open your monitor activity by opening your Launchpad. You can just search, click on activity monitor, but you can find on your Launchpad, you can just search your activity monitor on your spotlight search. You can enter activity monitor and you can just click on that, open the activity monitor. So in here, you can see all your activity of your MacBook CPU. You can also see the memory, the energy, disk, network in here. You can control your activity monitor in here. So simple, right? So that is how to see your activity monitor on your MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!